Hey everybody, what's up? Coming up on this next episode of Good Tech Cheap, I'm going to be unboxing and checking out this portable speaker, the Bang Mini from Tronsmart. It's made for parties, just like I am. Are you ready to unbox and see what we got? Let's do it. Hey everybody, what's up and welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host Kevin. Welcome to this video. Thank you for watching. If you like these videos about Good Tech Cheap, please do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop another episode of Good Tech Cheap. Today, we're going to be checking out the Bang Mini portable party speaker by Tronsmart. So let's get started. There are a lot of really neat features packed into not a very large size. The Sound Pulse audio technology, the fact that it's waterproof, has 15 hours of playtime, compare with another unit for stereo pairing, and you can use it as a power bank. Best when you're not playing music, so your battery life lasts as long as possible, but hey, that is up to you. The Tronsmart Bang Mini portable party speaker, made for parties. Ultimate stereo audio, handy to carry, and it has an IPX6 waterproof rating. That is all really good stuff. A lot of really neat features here. 15 hours playtime. It can also be used as a power bank, seamless connection, and stereo pairing if you get more than one. And we'll use the handle to take it out of the box. It looks like we got some ports over here. All right. Besides that, you do get a cable. Let's look at the cable real quick. USB-A to USB-C, awesome. And 3.5 millimeter audio jack cables. Old school and also awesome. And it would not be complete without your user manual. Very cool. The Tronsmart Bang Mini portable party speaker with exceptional stereo sound, Sound Pulse audio, beat-driven light show, an IPX6 waterproof rating, 15 hours of playtime, and the ability to do stereo pairing with another party speaker. Highly detailed sound, featuring 2 independent speaker cavities. The front cavity, which has 2 mid-tweeters and 1 passive radiator, offers crystal clear treble and superior clarity, while the rear cavity, which has 2 woofers, presents punchy bass. Your light show has different settings. There's circling, breathing, and beat-driven. Fully charged, you'll get up to 15 hours of playtime. It's light and ultra portable, and it has that IPX6 waterproof rating, so if it gets a splash or a little bit of rain, you're not going to be in trouble. When not using your party speaker, you can actually use it as a power bank to charge your other devices. The controls are easy to use, from the power on and off switch, the mode to switch lighting modes, your play button, which can pause music and activate the voice assistant and disconnect from the device. You can answer and end a phone call using it if you actually pair it with your phone using Bluetooth. The volume control, the enter and exit stereo pairing button, and the button you press to get Sound Pulse EQ mode activated and turned off. The whole speaker is only 11.89 inches long, 4.95 inches deep, and 6.8 inches tall. That's packing in a lot of features and a lot of power in a very lightweight and compact package. Take it anywhere on the go. All right, everyone, we're going to do a little bit of a sound test. I have this connected to my iPad. You can see the Bluetooth light is solid. We have a lighting mode chosen, and what we're going to do is we're going to play a piece of music that I had a hand in making, royalty free, so it's mine. I'm happy to share it with you on here. It's a theme from a show that we did, and we're going to play it without Sound Pulse and with. We're going to start without. So here we go. sounded great. You could totally see that the tweeters, the woofers, the separate chambers, you're getting some very crisp, clear sound. Now we're going to play that same piece of music. We're going to turn on Sound Pulse technology. Let's see what we got. Wow. So that added a whole other layer of high fidelity to the sound. Everything popped even more and was super crisp and super clear. The tonal range from top to bottom sounded amazing. Once again, this is not that big of a speaker. The sound though is big and it is really good. The Bang Mini. Yep, it definitely packs a powerful punch. All right. All right, my takeaway is that there are a lot of features packed into a very small and well-designed sturdy machine. It's easy to transport everywhere. You can take it to the beach, to a picnic, to any room in your house, turn it up nice and loud for your backyard parties, or take it to a park for a barbecue. All the options that you have to connect and use as a power bank right there are highly useful. That's a great feature. I like my light show too. All in all, very well designed, very easy to use. And if you want to find out more, just click on that link in the description below. Well, that just about wraps it up for this video. I'd like to thank Tronsmart for sponsoring it and sending us the Bang Mini so we could unbox it, check it out, and tell all of you about all of its wonderful features. Once again, click on that link in the description below to find out more. For this episode of Good Tech Cheap, I've been your host, Kevin. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, if you can, give this video a like, subscribe to the Good Tech Cheap channel, and turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop more Good Tech Cheap. From Los Angeles, California, stay safe, be kind. I'll see you next time.